Here's the thing. It's definitely an art. The art of allowing is definitely an art, not a science. This state of awareness must be cultivated, curated, you know, and that's the art part. This being able to trust the natural process of the universe supporting the emergence of our good takes practice. And we don't always get it right. And we don't always need to get it right. So breathe that in for a moment. Just breathe that in. And bring to mind your intention, your heart's desire, whatever that is. Bring it to mind. Take a deep breath again and relax into the awareness that the universe, which you are a part of, right? You are the universe expressing the fullness thereof, the fullness of the universe you are expressing. Well, the universe is all about expansion, right? It's all about bringing things to fruition. So the same is true for you. The same principle holds true. So it's just relaxing into that awareness. And then, as I've talked about in the last few weeks, watering the good that's growing with spiritual practices. And we've talked about some spiritual practices that are helpful there. And then just trusting that you are being guided in every moment. In every moment, you're being guided. And you want to follow that guidance now, right? The art of allowing is not about not taking action. No, but it's about being moved from that place of divine inspiration, divine guidance. And then you allow it to blossom. So another way of kind of understanding it is rather than trying or forcing, the way that we can work with that natural process of coming to fruition is to make our good welcome, to make it welcome, to that energy of inviting it in. So, when you invite friends over, guests over to your home, of course, there's not a lot of that going on these days, right? But maybe to your backyard. That's what we do. We invite friends over like 2 at a time, maybe 3 at a time, and we entertain in the backyard. Maybe that's what you're doing too. So when you invite friends over to your home, to your backyard, before they come, you prepare, right? You prepare, you clean it up, you tidy it up, you make it, nice and neat. If it had rained recently, you might wipe off the cushions. My husband blows the leaves and trims the hedges sometimes. You would prepare maybe something to eat, something to share, chill some wine, or whatever it is that you're going to serve, right? You want to make your guests feel welcome, so you prepare. So the same is true for the good that you want to grow in your life. You prepare your consciousness. You prepare your consciousness by cleaning it up, clearing it out, wiping away all resistance, blowing away all the old ideas that had you convinced that somehow you weren't good enough to actually have the good that you desire. Clear that up, blow that away, trim away all that doubt, and then prepare your consciousness by envisioning living your life with this desired good, or with your full potential being realized. What would that be like? Imagine, what would it feel like to live life from your highest possible awareness, expressing your highest possibility, having your dreams realized? What would that feel like? What would it look like? So you want to imagine that. That's how we prepare. That's how we make our good welcome.